Hello, little artists! Today, we have a cute unicorn with a donut ring. Let's start by sketching the outline of the unicorn and the donut. Can you see its colorful mane? Let's get ready to add some magic to this picture. Now, let's color in the unicorn. Use pink for the body, purple and blue for the mane, and don't forget to add some sprinkles on the donut. You can use your favorite colors to make it look even more magical. Great job! Now, let's add the unicorn's shiny horn and bring everything together. Your donut-loving unicorn is all set. You did amazing! Keep up the fantastic work! Hey there, little artists! We've got a fun duck in a cool hat and glasses. Let's start by drawing the duck's body and those fun clothes. Can you see the big smile on its face? Let's make this drawing come to life. It's time to color. Use brown for the duck's body and yellow for the feet. You can color the cap and glasses however you like. Add some details to make this duck stand out. Awesome work! Now, let's give the duck some final touches, like the white gloves. Look at your happy, dancing duck. It's ready to have fun with you. Great job! Keep up the amazing creativity!